All right, let's pamper your skin with a glow-boosting massage you can do at home. Now slip. I use 3 to 5 drops of a light oil or serum so my fingers glide, not drag. Warm it between your palms. Press it in, cheeks, press it in, forehead. Press it in, chin, press it in, neck. Take a breath. Lymphatic wake-up. Using your ring and middle fingers, place them at the center of your chin. Glide along the jawline to the ears, then down the sides of your neck to the collarbones. Repeat 5 slow times. Gentle pressure, think marshmallow, not deep tissue. Jaw release. Hook your knuckles under the jaw, sweep from chin to ear in tiny lifts. 3 passes. Feel that tension melt. Cheek sculpt. Fingers under the corners of your mouth, scoop up toward the top of the ears. Hold for 2 seconds at the hairline. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Smile lines. 2 fingers beside your nose. Glide out across the cheeks like you're ironing silk. Under eyes. A dot more slip. Ring fingers only. Tap from inner corner to temples, then gently sweep back. Think featherlight. Brows and frown line. Pinch along the brows. Little lift, release, lift, release. Then, with 2 fingers between the brows, draw slow circles. Smooth up to the hairline. Forehead lift. Place both palms at the center. Glide out and up like sunrise. 3 long strokes. Neck love. From chest to jaw, sweep upward with the tops of your hands. Then finish by draining down the sides of your neck to the collarbones. Lock it in. Press on moisturizer. Daytime, finish with SPF. Nighttime, add a nourishing cream.